There are moments when even the strongest feel like giving up, when effort feels wasted, when dreams seem out of reach. But that's when family speaks life back into you.
Joshua, you've been sitting out here for a while. What are you thinking about?
I don't know, Michael, it feels like I'm running in circles. I've worked, I've prayed, I've done everything right. I am tired, bro. Tired of working so hard and seeing no change. I feel like all this effort is leading nowhere. Are you really thinking about giving up? What about everything we planned together? The dreams we drew in the dark, when all we had was hope? What about our promises to Mom, the ones we made while she prayed for us late into the night? If you quit now, what happens to all that? And think about this: what if we actually make it? What if the doors open, and our time finally comes? How would we feel looking around and not seeing you standing there with us? We can't carry the joy of success if it comes without you. So don't back out now, brother. Not when the future still has your name written in it. Joshua, you know money can change people. You know that. What if we made it, and somehow started acting like you never mattered? Wouldn't that break your heart to know you weren't there to remind us of who we are? Only you will edit yourself out of the story of our success. Don't you want Mom to finally enjoy her days? To rest in the joy she never had? You're part of this ending. We rise together. You're the one who keeps us grounded, Joshua. The one who sees things differently. We need your presence in our future, not your absence in regret. That's why you can't give up. Not now, not ever. It is written in the scripture at Proverbs chapter 19 verse 7. Says, all the brothers of a poor man hate him, how much more he is shunned by his friends. He pursues them with requests, but no one responds.
Don't you want our mother to enjoy one day? To finally rest, without worry, without pain? She gave everything, her strength, her time, her youth, just to see us rise. And now you want to stop halfway? No, Joshua, you belong in the breakthrough. We didn't come this far for three of us to celebrate, while one of us fades away. We started this journey side by side, and we'll finish it the same way. If we fall, we rise again together. So take a moment if you need to, but don't stay down. Stand up, keep going. This is not where your story ends. Joshua, do you remember where we came from? Do you remember those nights we had nothing but water for dinner, and Mom told us stories just to make us forget we were hungry? She held us together with prayers and scraps. Now you're going to quit? No.
I didn't realize how much I was carrying, the silence, the weight, the disappointments. But hearing your encouraging words reminds me we're not just building something for us. We're rebuilding a legacy. I can't quit, because Mom never did. And because you guys still believe in me. So, I'll keep going. We fight, we fall, we rise, but we rise together. You are not alone in this journey. It's okay to be tired. That doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been holding on for a long time. But we're here to remind you we are still in this together. We have battles left to win, Joshua. We didn't survive everything we've been through just to give up now. So even if you are tired, lean on us. But never, ever quit. You're right. I've come too far to stop now. Thank you guys, for being here. Let's keep moving forward together and make Mom proud of us.
Galatians chapter 6 verse 9. So let us not give up in doing what is fine, for in due time we will reap if we do not tire out. Sometimes, the strength we need won't come from within, it will come from the voices that refuse to let you fall. Some people quit because they're tried. Some stay strong because they remember who's counting on them. Don't give up on the journey. Don't step out of the story. Stay in the fight, your victory is still ahead. Hit that like button if this inspired you, and subscribe to Moment of Light for more soul-stirring stories rooted in truth, love, and purpose.